Hey guys, Ben here from Velflex. Now we've got some really exciting news. Guys, we're here in Queensland where we produce our Ultra Colour Transfer. We are releasing our screen print range of products. That's right, we've teamed up with Jones Brothers out of Melbourne and we're distributing all of the Jones Brothers products. That's the squeegees, it's the emulsions, it's the strippers, it's the plastisol inks, it's the water-based inks. Guys, it's Magna, it's Rutland, it's Union here. You can sort of see on the shelf and behind me right now. We've got a whole range of products. But guys, we as a business, we moved from Sydney up to Brisbane a number of years ago to produce our screen printed transfers up here. And what we found was being up here, we had little access to screen print consumables and really good access to advice and support and actually getting the product. So guys, we've been in touch obviously with numerous suppliers and we've decided to team up with the Jones Brothers team down in Melbourne just due to their excitement around their product knowledge and what they want to do for the industry. They used to be able to supply their product through a Queensland distributor who finished up a couple of years ago. So guys, we're stepping in, that's the Velflex business here in Brendale, and we're going to be distributing the Jones Brothers screen print products out of our Brendale location for all of those screen printers in Queensland who want to buy their products through the Jones Brothers range of products. So guys, reach out to us, give us a call on our number 1300 765 414. Shoot us an email, speak to your account manager, but we can't wait to be able to show you the Jones Brothers range of screen printing products now available here in Brisbane.